Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best flag poles is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked elements for displaying your patriotism, team spirit, or seasonal greetings with pride and stability, ensuring your banner stands tall against the elements and remains a focal point in your yard or garden, making a statement that resonates with both you and your neighbors. Number 5. FFILY 20-foot heavy-duty aluminum flagpole kit. Introducing a flagpole built to last. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's twice as hard as standard poles, ensuring it stands tall and unbent, even in strong winds. Constructed with an extra-thick wall, this flagpole offers premium durability. It's designed to withstand the elements and remain a proud display for years to come. Its elegant black finish adds a classic touch to any setting. You can proudly fly two flags simultaneously, making a bold statement for your home or business. Setting up is a breeze with our included instructions, taking only minutes. When not in use, its 5-section design allows for convenient, space-saving storage. Everything you need is in the box: the flagpole sections, ornaments, rope, clips, an American flag, and even gloves for a clean installation. Plus, a PVC sleeve for secure placement. We're committed to your happiness. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This flagpole is built with aerospace-grade aluminum, making it twice as hard as standard poles. If you need a flagpole that can withstand extreme weather and want to fly two flags simultaneously, this is the one for you. Its robust construction ensures longevity and a proud display in any condition. What people say. The pole is sturdy and doesn't bend in the wind. It was easy to assemble and install. The flagpole has a good height and is very visible. Number 4. JOYSEUS Heavy-Duty Garden Flag Holder Stand. Introducing our premium garden flag holder, crafted from heavy-grade steel with a rust-resistant black powder coating. It's designed for durability, ensuring it looks beautiful and lasts for years to come. Elevate your outdoor space with this versatile stand. It's perfect for displaying flags, flower pots, lights, lanterns, and so much more, making it an ideal addition to any garden. Experience superior stability with our upgraded 4-prong base. Unlike others, its extra long, double-forked prongs ensure it remains firmly planted, providing a strong and upright display. Setting up is a breeze with the included ground stakes. Simply screw the pieces together for a quick installation, and easily disassemble it for convenient storage when not in use. Crafted from a thicker 1-2-inch diameter wrought iron metal, this stand is significantly stronger than others. It's built to hold even heavy flower pots and bird feeders with ease. This heavy-duty garden flag holder is your reliable choice for enhancing your outdoor decor. Its robust construction ensures it can handle various decorations season after season. What we like. This garden flag holder is crafted from heavy-grade steel with a rust-resistant coating, ensuring it lasts for years. If you're looking for a versatile stand that can hold not just flags but also lights, flower baskets, or bird feeders, this is an excellent choice. Its stable, multi-pronged base keeps it firmly planted, making it ideal for diverse garden decorations. What people say. The flagpole is sturdy and well-made, with a durable finish that resists rust and corrosion. It's easy to assemble and install, requiring no special tools or expertise. The telescoping design allows for adjustable flag height, accommodating various flag sizes. Number 3. FFILY 20-foot heavy-duty aluminum telescoping flagpole kit. Introducing a flagpole built to last. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's twice as strong as ordinary poles, ensuring it stands tall and proud, even in strong winds. Easily adjust the height to your desired level with our upgraded twist locking system. It's designed for a firm hold, preventing accidental collapses, and includes a wrench for quick adjustments in any weather. This heavy-duty aluminum pole boasts premium durability and rust resistance. With its extra thick wall, it's engineered to stand strong for years, suitable for any setting. Setting up is a breeze, and you can forget about tangled flags. Our rotating clips ensure your flag always flies beautifully, allowing you to proudly display your patriotism. Your kit comes complete with the telescoping flagpole, a special wrench, PVC sleeve, a US flag, topper, and all necessary clips for a hassle-free setup. We are committed to your complete satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Featuring an upgraded twist locking system and adjustable height, this telescoping flagpole offers both convenience and security. If you appreciate the flexibility to easily adjust your flagpole's height and want to prevent flag tangling with its 360 degrees rotating clips, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a customizable and hassle-free flag display. What people say. Really tall. Comes with a simple plastic flag. The flag connectors are kind of cheap. But it does stand up, and at least these 25-mile winds it has stayed up without a problem. Great setup and really well made. We attached this to our fence post, 4x4, using the supplied brackets. Really simple setup and easy to lower in harsh weather. Beautiful flag. Looks great when the wind is blowing. Very sturdy. Easy to install. Stays in ground well and easy to move up and down. Just twist to tighten. Number 2. YEAHOME Garden Flag Holder Stand. Introducing our garden flag holder, built with thickened steel for superior strength. It's designed to remain straight and stable, even in challenging weather conditions. Setting up your flag display is a breeze. With easy-to-use screwing joints and wider pointed feet, assembly is quick and ensures maximum stability. This holder perfectly fits standard garden flags. The included stopper and adjustable clip keep your flag securely in place, preventing it from blowing away, especially on windy days. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This flag holder is an excellent choice for any occasion. It's ideal for displaying seasonal or decorative flags outside your home, apartment, or school. We stand behind our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 90-day warranty. Enjoy a seamless shopping experience with our dedicated 24/7 online support. What we like. This garden flag holder boasts a 7.5 mm thickened steel stand, ensuring it remains straight and stable even in harsh weather. If you're concerned about your flag blowing away or your stand bending, this product's sturdy construction and secure fit with a clip and rubber stopper are ideal. It's designed for those who want a reliable and durable display for their garden flags. What people say. This flagpole is very sturdy and well made. The flagpole is easy to assemble and install. It looks great in my yard and holds the flag perfectly. Number 1. Evergreen 7 feet metal outdoor flag stand. Let your favorite seasonal or American flag fly high with the help of our in-ground metal flag stand. Made of solid metal, this weatherproof and rust-proof stand gives a timeless and classic look to any flag you want to proudly display. This stand is compatible with various flag sizes, making it perfect for outdoor use in yards, gardens, flower beds, or on your porch. It's an ideal way to decorate your home or honor memorial sites. It includes clip rings for securing your sleeved flag at the top of the stand. These clips discreetly and securely hold the flag in position, regardless of the weather conditions. Assembly is simple and requires no tools. Just screw the pieces together to set up your stand. Its metal powder-coated finish is weather and rust-resistant for year-round outdoor use. We stand behind the quality of all our products, with over 30 years of experience. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us directly, and we'll be happy to make it right. What we like. This oversized metal flag stand is made from 5 pounds of solid steel, offering a sturdy and classic display for your flags. If you prefer a timeless look and are using sleeved flags, this durable, weatherproof stand is a perfect fit. It's designed for those who want a robust and elegant way to showcase their seasonal or American flags in their yard or garden. What people say. This flag stand is in 3 sections that screw together. Be sure to tighten well as it will move around and loosen. So far seems sturdy enough, but time will tell. Feels sturdy and heavy-weighted. Was tough to drive into the dirt. Took me a while hammering the top of the base stake with a rubber mallet. It did not bend. I live in Iowa and we've had some severe storms since I bought this. A tornado that didn't quite touch down and then 40 to 60 miles per hour winds this week. Nope, it just got knocked over. It comes disassembled for shipping but goes together smoothly without tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.